嚟到今晚第8場賽事，1004米嘅讓賽。一起步嘅時候，球突破俾人撞一撞喎，隔離嗰隻馬甲衣啊，大隻啲啊，撞咗佢包尾㗎。前邊快啲咧，見到雪冠星唔慢啦，咁啊馬甲衣啊守住個第2啦。內檔嗰陣咪熠紅星啊，對外手段啊紅衫白袖嗰隻嚟嘅，跟隨其後咧就係嗰隻布靈麗。暫時比較後啲嗰陣咧就求突破，而家喺尾啊，近看台呢邊呢，分別見到一隻黑色衫粉紅架咧烈陽大隊，喺佢內側咧就係貴客啊，甚至乎路易微細嘅。暫時比較後啲都仲係隻求突破嚟嘅，跑過接近到600米嘅途程。咁前邊帶緊頭咧就雪冠星咧就近鏡佔先多啲嘅，馬甲衣啊守住個第2位，然之後入邊係熠紅星啦，內欄方面對外手段夾住中間位置係布靈麗嚟嘅，白色衫藍帽嘅貴客啊，拍住出邊咧烈陽大隊，後邊嘅馬啦妥妥當當啦，暫時尾3位置咧銀色未還啊，比較後啲嘅馬咧睇下求突破捐入邊追啊，咁仲有隻路易明勢比較後㗎，入到嚟最後差唔多就300零米到啦，前邊啊雪冠星仲係佔先多啲，出邊灰馬上緊嚟喎，銀色未還喎，中間位置馬甲衣跳下跳下，內欄方面咧重磅啊對外手段啦，最後接近就200米多啲，前邊突圍而出啊大外檔銀色未還啊佔先少少嘅，雪冠星啊守住個第2，入邊啊馬甲衣啦，中間上緊嚟仲有隻烈陽大隊啊，入邊就係重磅嘅對外手段，接近終點之際銀色未還好有機會贏呢場賽事，銀色未還係跑第1㗎，第2、3名就相當之近啊，烈陽大隊咁啊雪冠星睇下影唔影到佢第2咯噃。
好啦，銀色未還啊，喺外檔反而呢場啊衝得好啲啊！咁啊，李輝又贏咗呢場賽事，
打開勝利之門啊！呢隻啊，銀色未還，
因為雪冠星唔夠佢撞咗架之後自己窒咗步喎。
第2名就好近嘅，
好似烈陽大隊應該係雪冠星第3，
翻第3，
求突破就追翻，都算多，因為起步嗰下佢俾人撞咗。
好啦，咁啊結果咧就4號啊，
銀色未還，
銀色未還，李輝贏嗰呢場賽事嘅，我哋睇重播。
亦都順利。
好啦，咁啊烈陽大隊係第2啊，咁啊第3就係雪冠星。
咁零零丁丁一隻球突破喺中內欄嗰度衝翻上嚟跑第4，
慘啊！起步撞咗，
俾隻馬甲衣撞一撞，
撞咗。
哇！但呢場又外邊呢度有好啲，
又調轉喎。
雪冠星就沿途都擺喺前邊。咁啊，烈陽大隊就呢一場都證明就草地都啱跑嘅。
不過隻布靈麗有啲縮步啊，其實落去唔多，粉紅袖，
好早騰添。
I'm glad she's seen it out great.
Yeah, because the one thing in most of her races, even at 2, is that she just could be a little bit gassy early and then just not hit the line as strong as you wanted her to. And so we said to Sean today, get a bit of cover, whatever. Now, whether that was just in behind the leaders or whether that was where he was, it just didn't matter. And they looked like they'd gone a right old gallop. So, it was good and she's hit the line strong. And, you'd say at some point you've got the option of going up to a mile riding her like that.
Last season, more flat runners, I think, than ever. Is that something you're looking to continue and progress into this season?
Look, we love having the flat horses, and we're very lucky that the ones that we've got bring us to places like here, which is clearly a very nice place to come. So yeah, and the thing for us is that predominantly, of course, we're a jumping yard, but when you wave goodbye to 40 horses this week to turn them out into the fields for a nice holiday, you need another aspect to the business, and we've really enjoyed the flat horses, and we've got a few more this year, and it's all about running a business as well as the enjoyment of training.
Off the back of sort of quietly, I'd say, the best ever numerical jump season winners wise for you, which you must be delighted with.
Yeah, delighted. And lots of nice youngsters. It was always going to be a hard time with Paisley retiring, your sort of flagship horse, but yeah, we've got a lot of nice youngsters coming forward, and we were desperate to get to 50 and we just missed, so we'll try that for next season.
Okay, great stuff. Well done here. Thanks, Emma.
Thank you. Cheers.
咁啊，剛才咧就練馬師黎芬尼啊，咁啊接受訪問講嘅上一次呢隻嘅銀色未還啦，喺紐伯利嗰場賽事咧對手啊太過多，咁其實個目標咧一路都係擺咗今日喺新市場呢一場嗰度嘅。咁主要呢隻嘅銀色未還咧，有陣時即係早段會好容易搶口啊，咁反而佢今場咧即係好早已經知道個戰術係要留得住呢隻馬同埋揾到遮擋，咁今日完全做到呢一點啊！
好啦 ，S 嘅第8場已經係福邦而不派賽作實㗎啦。跑第1名係4號嘅銀色未還，導人派197個半，位置派46蚊。跑第2名係8號嘅烈陽大隊，位置派27蚊。跑第3名係7號嘅雪冠星，位置派18蚊。跑第4名係6號嘅求突破，年位4搭8派677蚊。2重嗰順序4號8號派1290蚊。3重嗰順序4號8號7號派6957蚊。單鐵4號7號8號派1349蚊。位置嬌4搭8派215蚊，4搭7派150蚊，7搭8派95個半。4連環4號、6號、7號、8號派2528蚊。4重一順序4號、8號、7號、6號派84565蚊。第7號孖寶頭關3號尾關4號嘅正獎派1145個半，安慰獎頭關3號尾關8號派102個半。S8 嘅第2場嘅頭 S2 嘅第8場頭馬時間1分24秒46。頭馬200兩個馬位23000碼頸位。
Sean Levy, and really impressive actually. Were you surprised about the way he won that today?
To be fair, not so much. I talked to Emma said to talk to Barry, who rides him out every day at home, and he was very confident. He thought she would definitely have come on for her last run, and they held her in quite high regard. Looking through her form, it's always nice to see when she's shown form on this track, because it is a complicated enough track. So no, she ticked all the right boxes today.
Do you feel like she handled the track as well as you'd hoped she would?
Yes, 100%. I think the main idea was her to settle early doors. I kind of ended up a little bit further back than initially I wanted to, but I was happy in the rhythm she got into. I thought she was maybe getting away a little bit, so I got after her maybe earlier than, with hindsight, earlier than I needed to, but I had to get her rolling. She got there handy enough, and she ran away up that hill really well.
You must be pleased as well by the way she responded to you, actually, because as soon as you pressed the button, it seemed like she knew exactly what she needed to do.
Yeah, 100%. She travelled brilliantly. She had a lot of ground to make up, but she was very responsive in doing that. And she was fit and straight the way she kept it up that hill.
Well done.
Thank you.
問到李輝，覺唔覺得好驚喜咧？即係呢隻馬，即係今場贏到，咁佢話其實都唔係嘅。佢話之前其實喺紐伯利嗰場都跑得好嘅，咁最主要都係同練馬師講法一樣啦，就係主要早段係留到隻馬啦嚇，同埋喺揾啱自己嗰個即係嗰個節，即係競跑時嗰個節奏啊。咁結果呢隻馬咧，即係一騎一交出嚟咧，即係一發力咧，佢交出嗰個相當強烈嘅反應咧。就亦都係即係合乎佢自己個期望嘅。